Okay, good morning, children. Here we are with the ion electron method of balancing redox reaction. So, here a question: H2O2 plus Fe plus 2 arrow Fe plus 3 plus H2O. Uh, so, here also the first thing that has to be done is we have to write down the oxidation number of the elements on top of them. Hydrogen is plus 1. Oxygen, this is peroxide oxygen, it will be minus 1. This is plus 2 only, this is plus 3 only, and hydrogen is plus 1, oxygen is minus 2. So, all the elements oxidation number has been written. Next step, we have to look for the crucial element, the key element, the element which has changed is oxidation number. So, iron has changed, okay, and we can see is oxygen has changed. Iron has got increased, okay. So let me write down this part. We have to write down this part separately in ion electron method. Fe plus 2 aqueous arrow Fe plus 3 aqueous. Here oxidation number has increased, and increase of oxidation number is called oxidation. Increase in oxidation number is oxidation. So this is called oxidation half. Oxidation half. And so the other one naturally will be the reduction half. Reduction half. So reduction half is our H2O2 arrow H2O, because here there is decrease in oxidation number, minus 1 to minus 2, decrease in oxidation number is reduction. So this constitutes the reduction half. So the given equation we have to divide into two parts. One is oxidation half and reduction half. So this is a step in ion electron method. After that, as before, we have to balance the key element. Iron is already balanced. Oxygen here, one oxygen. Here there is two oxygen. So to balance oxygen, so we have to write 2. So the key element is balanced. Then we have to balance the charge on both sides by putting electron. Now Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3. Here this side charge is plus 3, this side charge is plus 2. So to make charge same, what we do, we write here plus E, because now plus 3 minus 1 will be plus 2, like this. Now in oxidation half, one thing we have to write electron always in the right side. So first equation, charge is balanced. Now the second equation, what is the charge? This side we have 2 into minus 2, minus 4 charge. This side we have this side we have like minus 2 and minus 1. So to balance the charge, we have to put electron this side. Electron. and this electron, this is actually for one oxygen. Now since there are two oxygen, for two oxygen we have to give two electrons. So -1 to -2 for that we are putting one electron, but now for two oxygen we have to put two electrons. So this is the thing that we have to do. Now as before, we balance for hydrogen, we balance first for oxygen. Now oxygen is already balanced here, then we balance for hydrogen. Hydrogen is not here only, so we don't have to do balancing for hydrogen. Now we will do balancing for hydrogen. In this case, hydrogen is how many? 4, and here it is what? 2. Hydrogen is 4 here, here it is 2. So we will balance, since it is an acidic medium, we balance by putting hydrogen ion. So we will write here 2 hydrogen ion. Two hydrogen ion. So this is complete oxidation half, this is complete reduction half. Then what we do is we have to add the two half reaction. Okay, before adding we have to make number of electron same. Here you see it is 2, here it is 1. So what we have to do, we have to multiply this by 2 and then add. So suppose we are multiplying by these 2, then what it becomes, it will be 2 Fe plus 2 aqueous, 2 Fe plus 3 aqueous plus 2 electron, and now we add. So on adding, what will happen, this 2 electron will cancel. So we have 2 Fe plus 2 plus H2O2. We don't have to write this minus because this we had used for oxidation number work. Now that is already done. So we write only the substance. Then plus 2H plus arrow 2 Fe plus 3 plus 2 water. So this is the complete balanced form. So this is how we balance in acidic medium. Now I will do one more case in basic medium. One more case in basic medium. Okay, suppose now next case, let us balance it in basic medium by ion electron method. So as before, we have to write the oxidation number on top. I is -1 only, this oxygen is -2. You will take, you have to calculate in graph of Mn by taking an x, as I said before, you will get Mn plus 7. I2 free element 0, oxygen -2, and Mn will be plus 4. Yes, so the key element, one is manganese is the key element. So let us write down 1/2. So MnO4 minus Mn is plus 7 is changing to MnO2, where Mn is plus 4. So this is 1/2. Here there is decrease taking place. So this is reduction half. We are trying to write reduction half. reduction half where oxidation number decreases. Now we have to balance the key element. Mn is balanced. Now we have to balance for the charge. Here there are +3 and +4. So it will consume 3 electrons. So plus 3e, because +7 to +4. Now we balance for oxygen. Hydrogen is not there. For balance for oxygen, this side 4, this side 2. So 2 short. To balancing for oxygen, as you know, since here there is 2 short oxygen, so we will put 2 water. 2 water we will put at the same time. Other side we also have to put 2 OH minus. This is the rule for balancing oxygen, as we have discussed in oxidation number method. Whichever side there is less oxygen, that side we have to put same number of water molecule, and to the opposite side same number of hydroxyl ion. This is a rule for balancing oxygen. So let us rewrite it once again. Reduction half. So MnO4 minus plus 2OH minus plus 3 electron arrow MnO2 plus 2 water. I am not writing the your oxidation half because we have already done the work for oxidation number. Okay, now let me do the other half, that is oxidation half. Okay, children, as you know, we had done a mistake. Let me do it once again. This step once again. So this OH minus is not there. So as I was telling, balancing oxygen is 4. There it was only 2. So we have added 2 water. So oxygen is balanced. By putting 2 water, oxygen is balanced. So let me rewrite this here once again. So on rewriting, it is like this. I am rewriting this once again. Oxidation number is not required now. Now the last step is balancing hydrogen. Now we have to balance for hydrogen. So what we see is on the right side we have 4 hydrogen. This side there is no hydrogen. So we will, the rule is we have to add for basic medium 4 hydrogen short, we will add 4 water. 4 hydrogen short, we will add 4 water, and to the other side we will add 4 OH minus. 4 OH minus. So this is the rule for balancing hydrogen in basic medium. I am telling once again the rule for balancing hydrogen in basic medium. This side there was 4 hydrogen and this side there was no hydrogen, so we had to add 4 water, and at the same time on the other side, that means this side, we have to add 4 OH minus. So now you see hydrogen is balanced. So now let us rewrite the complete reduction half on simplifying, because water is here also, water is here also. So it will be MnO4 minus plus 2 water plus 3 electron arrow MnO2 plus 4 OH minus. So this is the complete reduction half. So let us write this equation as 1. Now the other portion, other half, I minus 2, I2, that will be the oxidation half. So oxidation half is I minus 2, I2. I minus 2, I2 is minus 1. So oxidation half, there is loss of electron, we know, and first of all we have to balance the key element. So it will be 2I. So 2I to there will be loss of 2 electron. Loss of 2 electron. Now this one you see is completely balanced. We don't have to do any other step. So this is our complete reduction. Now we have to make electron same. To make electron same, since it is 3 here, it is 2 here, we will multiply this equation by 2. We will multiply this equation by 3 and we'll add. So let us write down the result after multiplying. So 2 MnO4 minus plus 2 into 2, 4 water plus then 3 into 2, 6 I minus arrow, then the product side 2 Mn of O2, then plus 8 OH minus, and this one by multiplying by 3, then plus 3I2. So now you see this is the complete balanced form. As you know, to check whether it is balanced or not, we balance the chart. Left side we have how much charge? Minus 2, minus 6, so minus 8, and right side we have minus 8. So it's completely balanced. So this is the thing how to do ion electron method in basic medium. Now one more case let us do. One more case of balancing.